Recently, I've been watching footage of drone races where they dive through neon gates, fluorescent tubes, while navigating around dangerous obstacles. And my first thought was, when did Speed Racer release a sequel? But then I thought, you know what? This actually gives me an idea. I could make something weird enough to impress my friends, impress my neighbor's cat, probably be shunned by my girlfriend, and have an excuse to put up lights when it's not Christmas all in one video. So, I made some pod racer gates and wanted to share them with you. But first you're going to need some basic materials. Go ahead and grab some scissors, some twine, duct tape, electrical tape, carpenter screws, string of LEDs, 2-cell lithium polymer battery, a jackhammer, Ninja throwing stars, 4 pinches of cayenne pepper, and a Volkswagen Beetle. Now, this can all be broken down into 3 easy steps. For step 1, just decide on the size of your gate. So you can get a safe estimate by going with a gate that is about 5 times the size of your drone. I personally like to go with the Wheel of Fortune method. If you're unfamiliar with it, basically you want to take the torque of your motors, multiply that by the circumference of Pat Sajak's head, and then of course subtract that from the ratio of grams of sugar you ate this morning to your self-confidence expressed in kilowatts. Make sure to round up to 3 significant digits for accuracy, and that should give you the approximate number of times you're going to be disappointed with this project. For step 2, assemble the gate. One of the easiest frames you can make is just a plain square frame. Just connect 3 dowels like a square with one side missing using duct tape. Attach 2 more on each end of the open square for feet. Add some more duct tape. If you're unsure how much duct tape to use, look for when it starts to create its own gravitational field. Then go ahead and add a little bit more. Perfect. Now for step 3, and really this is the critical step. Most of your time is going to be spent repairing both your gate and drone from when you slammed into it. That's natural. So go ahead and prepare for the eventual disappointment by making a feel-good turkey or ham sandwich. Of course, if you're vegan, you're going to want to substitute the turkey using cardboard and unicorn dreams. Hopefully you captured enough footage of your amazing race on your camera before you gave up. If so, it should turn out something like this.